In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign 2025 to sign documents efficiently and easily. Whether you're completely new to electronic signatures or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident in managing your digital documents. Let's dive right in and get those documents signed. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is the top choice for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable tool for this task. Once you arrive on the homepage, ensure that you're on the right page by taking a quick glance at the URL. This simple check keeps you secure and confirms you're using the official platform. Now, after you've arrived on the website, the next step is to locate and click on the Login button. Typically, you'll find this button at the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login details. If you don't already have an account, DocuSign provides an easy sign-up option. Simply follow the prompts to create your account, ensuring your information is accurate to avoid any issues later on. Once you're logged in, head over to the DocuSign homepage. This is the hub where all your document transactions take place. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating should be straightforward. Here, you'll have access to all the tools you need to send, receive, and manage your documents. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the Agreements option. This section hosts all the documents you're currently working on, as well as those that require your signature. Locating and selecting the right document is crucial, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right place by double-checking the document titles and details. Afterwards, it's time to select the specific document you wish to sign. Keep an eye on your document list and choose the correct file. It helps to know the document title or its unique identifier to avoid any missteps. Once selected, you'll see a detailed view of the document, ready for you to take the next action. In the final stretch, locate and click the Sign button on the document. Once you click it, you'll have various signing options, such as typing, drawing, or uploading your signature. Choose the method that best fits your needs, and then apply it to the document. After signing, be sure to review everything to ensure accuracy. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully signed a document using DocuSign 2025. With just a few simple steps, you can now manage your electronic documents swiftly and confidently. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. Until next time, happy signing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.